आदाब नाजरीन, INT टुडे न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। पेश है ये ख़ास खबर ख़ास आपके लिए।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Actually, I don't know what to say. I think we don't need to say anything. You guys are the answer. For these protests, for these struggle, for these racists. Actually, I'm not well because of the tear gas. I got infection. My sound is gone. Inshallah, I just prepared not to talk with you. I will talk as much as I can. First of all, thanks for inviting me for this historic gathering in Hyderabad. Thanks, sir. Mrs. Sahib and Airman. Let me take this opportunity to salute all the people who are in the streets of the country and all over the world for this cause. I salute all shuhada of this movement against the citizenship law. Assalamu alaikum, ash-shuhada. May Allah bless the souls of all the shuhada. May Allah bless them to the Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen. We all know that our fight for justice is not complete without meaningful solidarities from people from other faiths, ideologies and communities. I owe a special mention to Dalit Bahujan leader Sir Chandrasekhar Azad for the solidarity. Salute. He is an inspiration to all of us who are fighting against the tyrannical regime of Hindutva on the country. Only of citizenship law was passed in this country. Our leader, Oasis Sahib, clearly stated that it was against the spirit of the constitution. And it negates all the achievements of Muslim based on the minority rights enshrined in the constitution. It's very clear that the new citizenship law are discriminatory towards Muslims. I'm not that much able to talk. I want to conclude. I'm glad that the Muslim students of Jamia Aligarh aligned with their political allies from other marginalized communities and started movement in the universities. I appeal to all Hyderabad students to come out and fight and join and trust. What we need to do is to go and speak to people from all the walks of life. We need to tell them it is not only against Muslims, but because once these fascists eliminate the Muslims, that will not happen. That's in bracket. They will come against other marginalized and oppressed groups, especially Christians, Dalit, Bahujans, and Sikhs in this country. I'm so glad that there are many Muslim women protesting on the streets. They are my mothers. They are my sister. The sister who is gathered there, they are my sister. I'm very proud of you, my sisters. I have, as a strong leader, we should also bring forward our mothers, Fatima Nafiz of Najib Ahmed and Rohit Vemula's mother, Radhika Vemula, to build a bigger coalition against Hindutva rule that destroys this country. Students of the country is already on the street. I ask them to build a bigger movement by joining hands with villages and other important spaces of protesters. We should also not forget the victim of riots, draconian laws like UAPA, the struggle of Kashmiris, the struggle of farmers and women, the brave battles of Dalit Bahujans. We should unite all the oppressed people of the country to end the rule of the allied Brahminical force in this country. Inshallah, together we can change. Let me stop here. I have to conclude. I'm taking my own effort, but I have to talk to you guys. May Allah bless all of us in this decisive fight against the fascist forces. May Allah give Jannah to all the martyrs. Inshallah, it is our duty to uphold the values of sacrifice and struggle that they uphold against injustice and oppression. That is how we remember the legacy of all the martyrs. I want to conclude. I don't know Urdu or Hindi language, but I have to say one word. इस लड़ाई में संघ परिवार सोच रहे कि हम पीछे जाएंगे, लेकिन उनको पता होने के लिए मैं बता रही हूँ, इस लड़ाई में हम एक कदम भी पीछे नहीं जाएंगे और खड़े भी नहीं होंगे। इंशाअल्लाह पूरी ताकत से आगे चलते रहेंगे। इंशाअल्लाह I'm talking to us as Muslim women, so I have to say, let me हमने माशाअल्लाह, let me हमने माशाअल्लाह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह।
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताज़ा अपडेट मिलते रहें।